YouTube, I'm back with another video, man. I know y'all ain't seen the charger in the video in a minute. I haven't drove the charger since I really bought it, so it hasn't been started in like 2-3 weeks, guys. It's really nice today, so I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna get y'all cold start, maybe a little POV in it. Let's see what it's hitting for on the stock exhaust, y'all. Eee, that motherfucker sounds so good, y'all. But stay tuned, keep watching the video. Let's get into the video. Let's go. YouTube, I know y'all want a POV and a charger, man, so I'm gonna give it to y'all. But this is my question: do y'all want me to talk in the POVs, or do y'all just want to hear the car? I want to know. Like, comment below. I don't know which one y'all want, because I can be quiet the whole video and stuff. But I don't like doing the POVs on the iPhone. I be seeing all these YouTubers do it on the iPhone. I think it's ass. What the fuck are you doing, sir? That was not a turning lane. Was it? Oh, my bad. My bad, player. But I don't really like when the YouTubers use their phone, because, like, I know it's not a manual, so, I'm not cutting up with the damn, you know what I'm saying? But when you got the GoPro, you get to see both hands. You get to see me hitting the pedal shifters. When you be seeing the YouTubers, when they be downshifting, they be boom, boom. Then they got to hold it right here. That's trash, bro. I know y'all want to see both hands getting active. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna give y'all a little POV, a little quick little video to get out for y'all. I ain't really gonna edit this. But I got 2 videos about to drop this week. If I drop this video before, or if those videos drop before this video, go tune in to them. I don't know what you're doing. You watching the videos, but you ain't subscribed. You watching the videos, but you ain't liking it. Look at this. Look at this charger right here. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. That Gen charger look better than any charger. I don't care what nobody say. The only charger that look better than that is a wide body. So, comment below, actually, because I need to see this. I need to see y'all taste. What's the hardest charger? The 2011 through 2014 chargers, the SRT style, or the 2015 to 2020 slim bodies, or any wide body charger? Which one better, man? Out of those 3, I need to see in the comments, because I'm trying to see which one better. Me, personally, I think the wide bodies is the best look for looks. But when it comes to, like, speed, trying to be that guy, you know what I'm saying, I'm going slim body, either or. And I really think the 7th gens or the 2nd gens, or whichever gen you want to call it, the 2011 through 14s look the best. That's my personal opinion, though. I want to cut up a little bit. But these cop be up here, y'all. But I'm on my way to Mexico, so shit, I ain't even gonna have to worry about their ass once I pass the border type shit. Let's see if we can find our way through these motherfuckers. We can't bully our way through traffic today. But anyways, like I was saying, y'all, we got 2 videos that's out. One of them gonna be how much it costs for me to fill up the Jeep. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to see how much it costs me to fill up the Jeep, because I got 2 V8s, if y'all know. And then the second video is I'm gonna let my girl drive the baby Hawk. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let her drive the baby track Hawk. See if she know how to cut up in the baby track. Cause I definitely be cutting up in the rain, dryness, whatever you name it. Cutting up in that. Yeah. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that Hellcat whine? I know y'all hear it. Or am I tripping? My car be whining, y'all. I swear it do. I don't know if it's a Hellcat motor in it or not. That motherfucker be whining though. I don't know. It might got a supercharger on it and I don't even know. Just shut up all the SRT. I don't know what that is. Yeah, this is my first time driving this car since I bought it, y'all. If you didn't know, I didn't have the car for about a month. And I just ain't been driving because it's cold as fuck outside. But the car was also in the shop. If you want to know what happened to it, man, go follow my Instagram. You probably would have known. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. Y'all be following me on here, but don't follow me on Instagram. Or y'all follow me on Instagram and don't watch my videos. What the fuck, man? Get it together, y'all. I believe in y'all. But, man, follow my Instagram. It's going to be right here. I'll be doing, like, polls and stuff on there, letting y'all choose what video I should do next, what video I should drop next, etc., etc. I'll also be doing like polls on like modifications to the car. You know what I'm saying? Like I might mess around and turbocharge to discharge or supercharge it. I might put a poll up for y'all to choose between type B. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, go ahead and follow my IG. What's that one? Drop in the comments what y'all think the next modification for the Charger should be, y'all. What y'all think? I'm thinking straight pipe. My girl don't really like the loudness though. And one more question, y'all. Should we wrap the Charger? It's white, it get dirty easy. But should we wrap it? You know, the last Charger was orange. I was gonna wrap it, but that color was crazy. Ain't nobody had that. And I know like 5 people with the same color Charger as me. That's a 392 or a Hellcat, y'all. So let me know, you know what I'm saying, what I should wrap it. I gotta be different. I ain't trying to be like everybody else. That music right there had you doing about 110 on the highway, boy, with ease. Yes, we in eco mode, y'all. I'm trying to save gas. Don't get on me. But if y'all want a POV in that full track mode, I got y'all. I got some bangers coming for y'all. I promise you I do. I think I should cut up in the hood. I should do a video like that, cutting up in the hood. What y'all think? But yeah, man, we gonna hop back on the highway. I'm gonna turn the camera back on. Alright, YouTube, that's gonna end the video, y'all. It's raining right now, so I can't really give y'all no crazy pulls in this, but if I was in that Jeep, motherfucker, y'all know I would. But, man, that's gonna end the video. I got another POV coming for y'all with the GoPro on and some other videos coming. Hopefully this weather stay hot. It's been warm. If it's warm tomorrow, I got another video coming with y'all with the Charger for sure. But comment below what kind of videos y'all want to see, what y'all want me to do, etc., etc. But that's gonna end the vlog. I'm out.